Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Specialista espresso machine. Now for this machine, it was brought here because this grinder was having some issues that we were not able to replicate. The sensor of the bean hopper sensor was not detecting any beans, and right now it's on because the hopper does not have any beans inside. Right now it has, as you can see, the light going off, so the sensor is definitely working. It was also reported that the grinder was not grinding any beans, and as you can hear, it's definitely grinding. So we were not able to replicate the problems, but we're gonna be testing out the machine with Android right now. Okay, now we're gonna tap. And now we're gonna do an espresso shot. As you can see, there's a nice steady stream coming out through the spouts, excellent pressure on the optimal zone, nice flow, and really good color and crema on top of the shot of espresso. Really nice shot. You have noticed that the light came back on. But as soon as we add beans, the light is off. So that sensor is definitely working. Now we're going to be using the steam of this machine. It's going to take a bit for the thermoblock to heat up to temperature and produce steam, but we're going to be able to see it as soon as the thermoblock is ready. Now the thermoblock is heating up all the way, as you can see right here. Nice steady steam coming out of the one. Great temperature, great pressure, working excellent. Hot water for this machine, as you can see right there, it's a nice steady stream as well, so it's working perfectly fine. So there you have it, the DeLonghi Specialista. We couldn't replicate the error, so thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and thanks for preparing Kanen Coffee.